Hey folks, how you going? Skypilot here. Welcome again to my channel. I've got the HGLRC Sector 5 here. I've got a new TBS Pioneer antenna on the back there. Crossfire receiver, Orca, Caddx FPV for my high def footage. This thing here is a pleasure to fly. I found myself a bit of a spot. The only trouble is there's some water here, and yeah, water and me flying these generally don't go together, so hopefully everything's going to be okay, and I'm going to capture some nice footage with that Orca, and everything's going to end up just rosy. Recently did a speed test of this, as I've just installed a nice little Flywoo GPS. Those stats will be on the screen for you guys as well. All the links are down below with all this gear here and all the gear I use. This thing here rocks. Let's go. Wish me luck. Good to go, guys. Sorry guys, we are Orca-less. For some reason it's not turning on. Not to worry. Not to worry, the DVR of this HGLRC is fabulous enough. Not sure what's going on with my Orca, it's a bit annoying. Okay. Where should we go today? Over the water? Let's just fly around the water for a minute. I have got a patch on, so it's a fairly directional VTX, so I am going to need to just keep in mind where I am. I really would not like to lose this quad in the drink. That looks like a runway there. Let's do a speed run, shall we? Spin around myself. I do like doing speed runs, so at the moment we're doing 80 kilometers an hour. I have got this HGLRC up to 120, so I think I can push it pretty well here today. Going to make our flight time fairly short though. Okay, looks like a nice little runway, and off we go. Try and time this so that we can fly by really well. 90 miles, 90 kilometers an hour, sorry. 120. Okay, that's pretty good. I think we can do better than 120 though. No, we won't. Let's just go over here. Yeah, we're going to run out of power real fast if we do too many of those. Let's go for a nice fly around here. Check out where we are. Above the drink. 32 meters. Yeah, you punch this thing, guys, and she burns the power up real fast. Nice little area I've got here. A bit blowy today. I shall be back here again though, because this is an impressive spot. Quite like it. Oh, not very much flight time at all, I'm afraid. 5 minutes. Okay, low battery. Let's just nip over the water here. .1. Hopefully there's no canoers over here. Yeah, we better head home, guys. We're going to kill this battery. 120 k's an hour. Messed around with my Caddx Orcd for some reason. Didn't want to play the game, so that's a bit of a pity. Let's go back to the car, sort out another battery pack. Good fun, cracking fast. Be better with some HD footage. Sorry about that. I do apologise, guys. I've got my Orca running now, so this time I'm going to power it up without having to worry about binding my Crossfire and without worrying about finding GPS satellites, so I should have a better flight experience. and have another speed run, because that's a damn good runway. Let's go. While we're waiting, guys, if you want to see the build for this GPS in here, check out my last video up on the screen up there somewhere of the GPS installation. Pretty straightforward, works really well. Yeah, I'm not too sure. Sometimes the satellites, you know, sometimes they're really good and come on straight away. Sometimes they just take forever. There's always something in the FPV game that's going wrong, isn't there? Alright, see if we can beat that 120 km/h speed pass. Okay, here we go. Maybe not that time. Okay, got the wind out, maybe something to do with it. Okay, let's have a cruise around, guys. I may need to invest in some batteries, guys, because I think these batteries are all pretty knackered now. They're not lasting very long at all. A bit disappointing. See if we can just go over here and capture some footage with the Orca before I run out of power. I hereby declare today a low battery day, as my Osmo Action has also run out of power. So I'm finishing off with my Orca recording. Yeah, good fun. Hopefully you've seen some good footage and you have been at least mildly entertained. Till next time, guys. Thumbs up, I hope. See you again soon. Sky Pilot. Catch you later.